when I first started at the station, I thought my career would be about a year and a half, 2 years, and then it got big. It got big, and
We did.
you know, it was funny because I was on the radio 10 years, and my mother, a very simple woman, really the sweetest thing you ever met in your life. And she comes in to me, she goes, Johnny, she called me Johnny Boy, you know, you're Italian. Johnny Boy, you'll never believe what happened today. I said, what are you talking about? She goes, I went for a haircut. She goes, and I got my hair done, and they wouldn't charge me because I was your mother.
Ah.
So I said, I've been on the radio for 10 years, and now you think because you got a free haircut,
It means something.
I said,
made it.
you think I'm at the top of the mountain?